Hey guys, I'm going to plant some strawberry roots. They're bare root. Look like this. I'm going to show you how to do that because I know when I first started gardening, if I saw this, I'd be like, what in the world? So here we go. Went ahead and took them all out of the bag and separated them and laid them out where I think I want them to go. And now I'm going to go ahead and dig the holes for them. So you want to dig a hole big enough to where the roots are all the way in the ground and the crown of the strawberry is just above the soil. Don't mind my fancy gardening shoes. Here's the root and here's the crown. Now I just water and it's all set to go. Here's my next tree. And I didn't mention I'm planting these around pear trees. So there's a tree just up the yard a little bit. I put the first 10 in. Now I'm gonna put the last 10. And I just bought these at Lowe's. I saw them and couldn't help myself. We eat a lot of strawberries. And when you first open the bag, they're bunched together. They usually have like a little rubber band on them. I'm looking for it. Maybe they don't this time. Oh, there it is. Okay. So there should be 10 plants total in here. I don't know if this is one, but just in case, I'll bury it. Okay, so again, here's the roots. Oops, I broke some. Here's the roots and the crown. We're just gonna make sure the crown is just above soil level. There's the tip. You just kind of have to work them apart. Now I'm gonna go get water. Alright, and this is my son Logan. He's gonna water our strawberry plants. And Leah's up there watering the strawberries with the sprayer. Don't worry, it's only water.
We're going to do this one.
Good job.
I'm going to use this one.